Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game Fortnite. You got an error, IO store signature error, PAK is invalid. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, if Epic Games is running in your PC, close it. Even right click on taskbar, choose the option Task Manager. On the left pane, click on Details tab and in the search box, type in Epic. Now you need to right click on each of the program and choose the option End Task so that you make sure that no Epic process is running in your system. After closing, you need to open the directory of the Fortnite. At my end, the game is installed in my F drive, Epic Games, and here is Fortnite. Open Fortnite game folder and then open content folder. Here you will find a folder with the name PAKS. Open it. First of all, under the size, click on it so that it will arrange the size of the files in the ascending order. So once it is set, you need to select all the files which are less than 2000 KB. Like you can see over here, the first few files are of only 1 KB. So you need to select the files that are a maximum of 2000 KB. So keep on selecting all the files one by one. So these are the files that are less than 2000 KB. After selecting all these files, right click and choose the option delete. This will delete all the PAK or the corrupted files from this Fortnite game directory. After deleting the files, close the game folder. Now you need to launch your Epic Games launcher in your PC. Once it is launched, you need to go to the library. Then you need to select your game or click on this 3-dot icon, and then here you need to click on the option manage. I'll show you, it will show right over here. It is downloading at my end, so I'll click on 3-dot icon and click on the option manage. Right over here, you will find the option of verify files. Go ahead, click on the option verify files and it will re-download the files that are corrupted or that we have deleted from the PAKS folder. Once verification is fully completed, close it and relaunch the game, and the issue of IO store signature error PAK is invalid while launching the Fortnite will be completely fixed. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.